This video will show you how to deal with transactions in Debonair where more than one VAT rate applies. To illustrate this, let's assume that you go to Asda and you purchase chocolate biscuits for staff refreshments. Chocolate biscuits are subject to standard rate VAT. Thus, let's say the purchase you make is £12, which is inclusive of £2 VAT. At the same time, you spend £6 on tea, milk and other foodstuffs, also for staff refreshments. This is a zero-rated purchase on which there is no VAT charged. Thus you have a total purchase price of £80, which is inclusive of £2 VAT. If you enter this in your bookkeeping on Debonair as one simple transaction, you will be faced with choosing one VAT rate. Whichever one you chose, either standard rate or zero rate, it would be wrong. However, the transaction would not post if a VAT rate was not chosen. As you know there is VAT to claim upon the payment, then the standard rate of VAT is likely to be the one chosen. Even though you may have entered the right amount of VAT from the invoice, the way it has been recorded as a single transaction will mean that the transaction will be thrown up as a VAT variance. When you check your VAT return, as we recommend you do in this video, as you can see here, when you run the VAT report, the program will think that the standard rate of VAT will apply to the full amount of the payment of £18, and thus it ought to be £3. However, the VAT entered and per the invoice was only £2. Thus there will be a variance of £1. To rectify this, you would need to go back to the original transaction in section 4 and cancel it. Then repost it as a two-part transaction. One part for £12, which is standard rated with £2 VAT, and the second part as a zero rated transaction for £6 with no VAT. Please see our video on how to post such complex transactions to show you how to do this. If you post a transaction in this way, it would not fall foul of the variance calculations on your VAT return and would not be included in the variance report as it has now been recorded correctly. The variance facility in Debonair is there to flag up to you whenever you have entered a VAT amount that is inconsistent with the rate of VAT applied. If you don't record the different supplies separately, then you are depriving yourself of this valuable checking device aimed at helping you. However, it's your bookkeeping that you will be doing, and thus just how you record your transactions is up to you. As long as the correct amount of VAT is recorded, then all is well and good. However, we would recommend that you make the entries of multiple supplies separately, so you can use the VAT variances to help you check your entries before submitting your VAT return. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get notification when we upload further videos to help you. Bye for now.